Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick cook with me. Okay, I say quick, maybe I'm jinxing myself, but anyways, I had this thought because I actually had picked up this deliciousness from Costco. It's called the spinach artichoke parmesan dill dip or something. See if it'll focus. There you go. And so we are going to make stuffed chicken breast with that. And I'm gonna bread it as well. In my head, it's gonna be this amazingness of goodness that is 100% keto friendly. So if you guys wanna see how I do this, stay tuned. I put all kinds of videos up on this channel. I do everything from family vlogs to keto lifestyle journey updates to my health journey update, because if you guys don't know, I do have some health issues I am suffering from. So that is a whole other playlist of things, as well as keto recipes. So I have a whole array of fun things happening on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, guys, because I've been really good about posting more over there. And one of these days I'm gonna have enough guts to do Instagram TV and stories, but baby steps, friends, baby steps. Anyways, what I'm gonna show you guys is what I've got together thus far. And I have, what is that, like 6 chicken breasts? 2, 4, 6, yeah. I have 6 chicken breasts here. These are natural, organic, so they are on the smaller side. No antibiotics, no hormones, anything like that. I do have 2 eggs, but let's do one thing at a time, okay? I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm so excited. So we are gonna start with stuffing the chicken with some of this deliciousness right here. Like I said, I did pick this up at Costco. Costco has amazing finds in there, especially if you have the time to like really go through and check everything out. So I like to use this as dip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to probably get judged really hard on this. Hey guys, I love Coffee Break with Danny, so you know, I bought her merch. So what I'm gonna do is put like 6 tablespoons out here, maybe a little bit more, I don't really know. You guys do however you want to do, but I don't want the whole cross-contamination stuff. So I'm gonna put a lot of heaping amounts on here so I can just pick it right back up and stuff it into the chicken, because Mama's scared of germs, guys. And I do want to tell you guys real quick, as far as the carb count goes and the macros, all of that, 90 calories. There is 8 grams of fat, and there is 2 carbs and 0 sugars. You guys know that is a big dealio when we are living the keto lifestyle. So take a screenshot right now. I'm telling you guys, this is so good. It's so delicious. My children love it. We're happy. We like it a lot. And it also has no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Gluten-free. Holla. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is bring my chicken breasts over, and I'm going to slice each one of them and place them back onto, actually no I'm not. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this as simple as I humanly can, because your girl's not a chef, okay? So what I'm gonna do is move my stuff out of the way, and I am going to mix some almond flour and Parmesan cheese on this plate. We're gonna put eggs in this bowl, and then it's gonna be like a whole assembly line. Never made this before, so I honestly do not know the amount of time that it's gonna take, or if I even have it at the correct temperature. So it's a live and learn situation here, guys, okay? So I am going to put a good heaping amount of Parmesan cheese here on the plate. Then I'm gonna add some of the almond flour. I think what I'm gonna do as far as almond flour, let's see, there's 2 heapings, 3, why not do 4? There we go. It's a lot, your girl's extra. Mix that all together, and then of course we need to season this puppy up. So some of my simple go-to, don't have to think about it too much, seasonings. This is just Redmond salt. You guys can, I don't know if it'll focus enough. Let's see. There you go. Do you see the speckles in there? This is like the best salt if you have any type of thyroid issues or anything. I'm gonna guess that I'm using probably 1/4 teaspoon maybe. We're gonna do a good amount. I'm not shy about it. I am gonna use some onion powder because, again, this is one of my go-to type of spices. I don't know if any of this is focusing, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm from the South. My family is Italian. We are the worst at measuring out, friends, so do your best. Wild guess. This is some garlic powder. And then, is it garlic powder? Salt? Whatever. And then I'm gonna do just some pepper. Not too much. I don't like a lot of pepper. Okay, let's go ahead and mix that all together. And then we'll go ahead and get our eggs in there as well. And spray my pan right here. I use the Chosen Foods avocado spray. I picked this up at Costco. Sorry again if it's not focusing. It gets confused with its life. Apparently it wants to focus on chicken. Try this. I think this is for bread, but whatever. Okay, so once we've gone ahead and sliced it, we're gonna go ahead and stuff it with some of our deliciousness right here. You know what? I probably need toothpicks. Oh, goodness. Oh, well. Live and learn. We're going to dip it kind of like, we're going to hold it like a taco. You guys see that? And then just kind of dip it in and then go in like so. Coat it up. So I have a little bit of this left. So what I'm gonna do is just dollop it right on top of the chicken. Because I'm pretty sure since I didn't put toothpicks in, it's probably gonna ooze out anyways. So just do the best you can. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my Kerrygold butter and I'm gonna slice it and place it all around so there is a crispy crunch to this. Then we had some of the extra of the seasoning, so we are gonna just sprinkle it a little over, like so. I decided I want to sprinkle this with some mozzarella cheese. Just going to put a few handfuls of mozzarella cheese all over and in my sink. Because everything's better with cheese, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the aluminum foil in there and then pop it into the oven. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. Now I ended up going ahead and slicing up some mushrooms and putting mushrooms on there. As far as the total cook time, it did take about 40 to 45 minutes. And it looks absolutely delicious, guys. I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. So I'm just finishing up a side right here. We have a little bit of asparagus, mushrooms, a little bacon, butter, a bunch of yummy goodness. Haley forgot to fill you guys in. We actually went and ate dinner and it was delicious. The kids loved it. It was amazing. I think that this is going to be a definite staple. It's a little time consuming, but I definitely would like to at least have it at least twice a month, you know? It's pretty delicious. Anyways, on to the rest of the video that I've already filmed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm all over the place. And until next time, my friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.